Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Maloney, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you what I say a free marketing system for your Ibuumerang business. If you're an Ibuumerang and you're looking for a way to promote your business, I will set you up not only a capture page, but also a bridge page. But the only thing I'm asking of you guys is to purchase SendShark through me, which is a single opt-in autoresponder that you can use to build your email list up to 50,000 subscribers. You can't get that price hardly anywhere else for a single opt-in autoresponder, and it's only 25 bucks a month. I'll do all the setup. All you need to do is let me in the back office. Let me in the back office, and I'll do all the setup, and I'll have all the emails and stuff set up for you as well. So another thing that I'm willing to do too, like I said, I have a sales page that I've set up that I'm still kind of working on. Now I can set this. Why is my voice cracking? I hate it when your voice cracks. I can set this up to be anything. You can, tell me you want a video. I got a time-lapse video of a cruise ship right here. I can have airplanes. I can have whatever, things you want. I can have pictures of you and your kids, whatever you want set up. A video of you and your kids on vacation, or you and your team on vacation. And as far as the video, the video bridge page, I'll need your name, email, and phone number to be on there, along with your Facebook page. If you want to put your Facebook page on there as well. A lot of people like to connect with people via, Facebook, via anyway. If they miss you one way, you can always, if they're really trying to get at you, which people, if they see something that they really like and they'll be excited about, they will, be looking for you like a rabid dog and say, hey, I signed up. Now what next? So this goes for you and your team. I'm willing to set up a whole capture page systems for you and your team. This is just, what I can do for you. This is just something for you to put together. And, that copyrighted date, that, I can change the copyright date to be you and, 2019, blase team, blase boomerang team, whatever you want it to be. And or you could just have nothing down there at all. Like I said, I could set this up to have videos, a whole video background for you guys. And the only thing I'm asking you to do is purchase SendShark through me. And that's a tool that you're going to need anyway to build your list. You need to be building your list while you're building your business. Nobody else will tell you this in this world, but while you're doing this and generating leads and stuff like that, and you'll never know. The first thing I, messed up and did when I was building a business, I did not build a list of people. I had one success, really good success. I didn't build a list of people. That list grew to 2,000 people. My downline grew to 2,000 people. Where I could have been today with my list, far, far, far further than this. So if you're looking for a way to promote your business and keep and maintain, that's one of the things people won't tell you, is you need to maintain a list of your people just in case, they say no the first time on Ibuumerang, which a lot of people do no matter how exciting the opportunity is, no matter what it is that you're doing. People say, they'll be like, I'll pass, I'll see what's going on later on down the line. But that allows you to keep in contact with them and keep, for the people who miss, it'll allow you to build a little bit of a rapport with them, with you sending out emails each and every day to them, with you marketing and whatever you do, however you do, you send out your postcards. And I will, also give you a link to where you can if you're a team leader, set up to have an in-house postcard system, marketing system for your team as well, along with other marketing things if you really need to, really want to help your team grow. So with that being said, and that's just from a $25 purchase for you and your team. So with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris Maloney. Be blessed, not stressed. Always be motivated by success. And I'll see you on the beaches of the world. And if you're not Boomerang, literally. But I also hope to see you at the bank cashing a big check as well. With that being said, peace.